I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly. Good morning, y'all. It is currently Saturday, March 1st. I just got up like an hour ago, brushed my teeth, ate a little muffin. My refrigerator just got delivered, so the people are outside delivering it. It kinda cute. But that's beside the point. The fridge is a little bit bigger. It's black and silver. I was having issues with the fridge leaking inside of it. It was like old fridge, so hopefully this one is just good. Him and his mans carried up the steps, 12 flights of steps with no straps. That's crazy as hell, I ain't gonna lie. I could never be me. But now I'm just waiting for them to plug it back up. So I can pull my full back. I'm tired. And I gotta do hair at 2 o'clock. So I'm making crab cakes, eggs, biscuits for breakfast. I don't have that yet. So I'm putting crackers in here. If you know, you know. Oh, shut himself. So, just a little bit of cheese for the eggs. So you know, eat biscuits and crab cakes for breakfast. Okay. Sure. I got one broken, but that's because I don't have breadcrumbs. I had these crackers, so.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could live.
It don't say for
a piece of mind, baby. Come to get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base.
I'm about to close this vlog out so I can get my life together so I can stop looking like this. And I need to do laundry, touch up my hair, and yeah. I still want to know if them baked beans have pork in it. It don't say it on the can, but sometimes some stuff, I just feel like everybody knows pork. But me, I don't know. But I can't eat meat, and I damn sure can't eat pork. So I'm just probably going to give it to somebody or toss it. It don't really matter. But I thought I removed it out of my cart anyway because I wasn't sure last night when I added it. So I removed it, but it's still there. So whatever. But I'm finna go do laundry, y'all. And I'm finna touch up my hair, do some Bible study, do some homework. And hopefully I stand on everything I just said I'm gonna do. But I know I'm for sure doing my hair and my laundry. I could record me touching up my hair. I just kind of really don't feel like it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired. I'm always tired, bro. Every time I'm on this camera, I'm talking about I'm tired. Like, I feel like I didn't get no sleep last night. I don't know why. I was having the craziest dreams. I don't know why, but I don't want to know either. Because it was a little crazy. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe on this video. I'll be back with more content. I'll be back with more videos. And as I always say, I will try to switch it up. Yeah, I just gotta make time for like fun stuff so I can record it. Like, I be doing stuff that I enjoy, but like, it don't be like, to me, record worthy. I don't know. Make sure go into my description and follow me on my Instagram, my TikToks, and I'm gonna include my Snapchat because I'm doing like mini vlogs on there. So it may take a while for vlogs to come out on YouTube, but I do try to do daily vlogs on TikTok and Instagram Reels and all that. So if you want to see more of my personality, check the description. And I will be back with more videos. Bye.
Do you think my brain is made for